So Mum's got her makeup bag and she's got the white one. And she's got it all laid out with all her bits and bobs ready for the makeup. And I've got my makeup bag that's got 100 zillion million products in already as well. Hello everyone, this is me and my mum. Hiya. We're going to do a makeup tutorial. We're going to use exactly the same products using the Donna May brush kit. Okay, so exactly the same brushes, exactly the same products, and we're going to show you how we do it. Right, so we're going to start with, let me just get my brush kit. We're going to start with our foundation, aren't we? Yeah?
Yeah.
So,
not the concealer.
no, we'll do concealer afterwards. Right, so Chanel Vita Luminaire. Use this one, Mum. Yeah. Okay. And then foundation brush. All labelled nicely, aren't they?
Yeah.
Do you like them makeup brushes?
I love them. They tell you what to do. I need to be told.
Okay, so we're both trying to fit in this camera, so I'm like...
Get out of it.
So come a bit closer, Mum. Like, that's it. And do you always put it on with a foundation brush or not?
No.
No, I don't either. I use my fingers quite a lot of the time.
Although, I must admit, because the foundation brush is in there, I've used it quite a lot lately.
What, you find it more convenient because it's in that little pack?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Well,
Because I'd always delve for it.
yeah. Because the brushes come in a nice little wallet, so it keeps them all together. But make sure you foundation your eyelids, yeah, when you
Done that.
put your foundation on.
Done it.
Good. I think with a brush you do always get a little bit of a better coverage than just using your fingers.
But I have to look in my magnifying mirror.
Oh yeah. You can use it if you want
to make sure it's all blended in.
Have a look. Yeah, it's not there, look. On your cheek. Right, what concealer do you normally use?
What, for under my eyes?
Well, do you use it every day under your eyes?
No.
You don't. You only need to use it if you need to use it.
Yeah, no, I don't use it all the time.
So this is a really nice one, by the way. It's DHC, isn't it?
It's not nice and it blends nice.
And it's because it's a peachy colour, so it's really good at hiding any you got to do yours. Hiding any greyness or sallowness. It's a really good colour. Alright, so where are you putting yours?
I was watching you.
I'm just putting mine just under. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
There.
Yeah. You never take it right up to underneath the eye line, do you?
No.
Like the lashes, because it's too heavy. Yeah, so you just put it underneath that.
Then do I have to? I wait for it to dry a minute.
Yeah. Ooh.
Whoa.
She has learned something. That's it.
Right.
Wait for it to dry a minute.
And then what do I do?
And then pat it, don't you, with the concealer brush. Look in here so we can see you. That's it. You can use your mirror if you can't see. That's it. Yeah, use your finger as well because the warmth from your finger blends it in nicely. Yep.
Done.
Done. Right. Right, and next we both wear bronzer, don't we?
Yep.
So we're going to use the Kiko bronzer. This is Mum's one in Flawless Fusion 03. On there. Right, got your nice brush?
Yep.
You go first.
Me Donna May.
Donna May brush.
It's coming to the end.
Yeah. Go next, get in the mirror. Sorry. I'm hugging the phone here.
You move over. You're in your way.
Need to be behind you. And this just gives you, I mean, you've always used bronzer, haven't you?
Always.
I can remember even when I was little, I used to have bronzer all the time.
Yep.
Just gives you
Gives
a
you a
nice
colour.
Yeah, a bit of warmth, doesn't it?
I've been trying to do that. The 3.
Yeah, that's it.
It
Bit,
makes
bit,
a lot
like,
of
bit further under here though. You don't want it on here, or I'll give you like a 5 o'clock shadow. You want it, look, just under your jawbone there. What you're doing is, you see that natural dark shadow under there? You're making that a bit darker to make it look like you've got a structured jawbone.
Oh, right.
Yeah. You don't want to look like you've got a beard growing.
Well, I have. I have to shave every day.
Right, yeah?
Yep.
And then I like to put on some blush now. Right, so we're going to use the Jill Dempsey one, aren't we? Cheek tint.
Oh, that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
cream one.
Yep.
So using the stipple brush that comes in the set. And I just put that on
This is what I always get confused about.
What?
Well, where I put it.
Okay, so just on the apples of your cheeks. So show me where your apples are. Yeah, that's it. Like the biggest bits, yeah? Don't go up. Don't go up. Your apple's not up here, is it? Look. Look.
Well.
No, it's here. Right. Don't keep going up. You're so tempted to keep going up. Look. Just keep it on the apples. It looks nice and fresh there. I need a bit more though.
Oh, excuse me. My nose.
Put a little bit, a little dash. Right.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, that's it. Right. Now we're going to do brows, yeah?
Oh.
I am really into using my brow mascara, Gimme Brow by Benefit, but because you're doing pencil today, I'm going to do pencil too. And
Is it?
Yeah. We're going to use the Brow Master pencils, aren't we, from Bare Minerals. So I've got the dark one and you've got the
light one.
The light one. I think it's called Honey, yours is called.
I have to use
right, so you've got
right,
okay. So you know where to start and finish, don't you? So you go up to your peak, don't you? That's it. And then you take it down at the end. So you can watch Mum do one and then I'll do mine.
One.
Let's have a look. Okay, let's have it. Yep, good. Okay, yep. I'll do mine. I'll do mine because they're thicker than Mum's. Is I draw a line underneath the brow up to that peak. So I get a nice sharp line. And I'll take it from the peak down. And I'll just colour in any patchy little bits. Then at the end of this, Mum, I don't know if you know, at the end of this there's a little spoolie. You can then brush the colour through, see? Like
okay.
Yeah, you do that one. Right, okay, so now we're going to use, we're going to do a cream eyeshadow. And I introduced Mum to a brand called Jill Dempsey last year, didn't I? Or earlier this year. And it's really nice, really easy products to use. And this one is called Taupe. Okay, so it's a nice, easy brown colour. And we're going to use the...
What we're using?
Right, so we're going to use the eyelid blender brush, that one, the slanted one. I'm going to dab that into the cream. Okay.
Yeah.
And all we're going to do is put it on the whole eyelid, okay? So just go across the eyelid, keeping it on the bulbous part, yeah? So you can go quite heavy with this actually because it's quite sheer, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know how people film people with two people in them. This is mad, I look. Huh? That is a really nice, easy day colour, isn't it? I might have to have that back, that one.
No,
I like that.
You ain't getting it.
All right, look, she's racing ahead. She's on her other eye. And then we use the other end of the brush, Mum, to rub it into the socket line to give it a really nice blend.
All right.
Because the other end of the brush is a teardrop shape, see, like that. It's really nice for blending in the socket line.
So why have you put more on then?
I don't know, I'm just doing my other eye.
Oh, right. So I don't put no more on?
Well, you can do if you want to darken it a bit. And then that's it. That's it, brilliant, back and forth. That's it, that's nice. So I'm just showing you here. Let me just get a bit more though, hold on. A bit more on mine.
I'm going to hide this in a minute from everybody.
What?
My eyeshadow.
Oh. Why?
Because Donna and Nick.
I gave you it in the first place.
Yeah, well, once you've given, you don't get it back.
Right.
So, are they even?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it, nice. You can go even darker though. You could go a tiny bit darker. Just go on, give it a bit more, bit of welly. Makes your eyes look really blue. Anything that's brown or like that heathery colour,
Yeah,
makes your eyes look really blue. Do you like the fact that you can just swivel it round the brush? So much easier.
I just love these brushes.
Than having to pick up another brush. You just literally.
I love them.
So we've paired them so that, you know, when you're working on your foundation, you would also be working on your concealer, wouldn't you? So it's that brush you use all the time. Same with the brushes.
Really good. Easy to use.
And then we've got this small brush here, which we can use to put a little bit of the colour. This is a multi-use brush, so you can use this for different things. I'm going to put a little bit of this colour underneath just underneath here. Look, just gives it a little, do you know what I mean? Tiny bit of smokiness. I'll keep that close to the lash line. Right, then we're going to use Kiko. Love Kiko, don't we? Because when we were in Spain a lot, we always go to Kiko over there. Right, I'm going to use the Kiko Everlasting Kajal. It's really soft. It's really nice. Easy to use. So I'm going to run this along just on the edges there. I'm putting it just there, right? And I'm going to blend it in. So I'm just marking my eyes with it. Look. So it's not very neat, because then I'm going to get my little multi-use brush. And I'm going to soften it so it's really soft and smoky.
Right. So, alright. I'm not too clever at this.
Okay. Hold on. You can look in that mirror if you can't see in that mirror.
So I
So
go
just
up,
keep it right close to your lashes.
up.
We'll just run it sort of back and forth along there. That's it. That's it.
And then blend it in.
No, leave it like that. And then do the other one. And then you're going to blend it in afterwards.
It's getting them the same.
I know, but if you blend it, that's why you haven't got to be exactly, like, super precise, because it's not just a really neat, fine line. Right, that one's a bit bigger. Put a tiny bit more on this one. Okay, then get your little brush again.
Yeah.
Right, then all you're going to do is run the brush, like, put it on the side, not the point, the side, and sort of just sort of run it like this, and it just smokes it up. That's it, so just on the side, that's it, that's it.
I've still got the other eyeshadow on.
That's alright, because it's lighter, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's it, and then just run it along your lash line so you can take it in a tiny bit more, and then you can kind of, as you come to the edge, you can kind of turn the brush and to the point so that you can flick it. Just give it a tiny little flick up. That's it, lovely. Let's have a look. Yeah, perfect.
Blimey.
Blimey. Right, you've got to match the other eye now.
Hey, first time.
Blimey. Yeah, but you did grow up in the 60s.
Uh,
Which means you did eyeliner all the time, yeah?
yeah.
Right, mascara. Let's bung some mascara on. Because if I turn this phone around the other way, it doesn't come out on Instagram, so I don't know how you're meant to do it to fit us both in properly.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Right, now I feel that we need, well, I need a tiny bit of blush, so I'm going to use the Lumine Coral Bloom, which is a cream one. So you can add a little bit more if you want to.
Do I need it?
Yeah, go on. Just the apples. That's it.
That's it. So, in the 60s, we used to have this, and all you ladies will remember, the bronzer that you would push up and down here.
Yeah.
So you'd get the shape of your
cheekbone.
bone. Yeah.
Well, that is what we kind of still do now.
Yeah, but not as prominent as we used to do.
No, yeah. Right, what lipstick are you going to use?
This is a Fenty one.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know the colour.
No, it's really lovely. I need to get a magnifying glass out to read the colour. Okay, and I'm using the Lily Lolo Peachy Keen, which is really pretty. It's quite sheer. Just a nice day.
Lovely.
I'm sad that I don't hardly wear my reds in the day anymore because I just plaster my masks. Right, so same makeup products.
Young and the old.
The what is it? Age before beauty.
Well, there you go. Yeah.
Beauty before age. I don't know.
No.
Anyway, so that's using all the same products and same techniques, same makeup brushes. Donna May makeup brushes. And I will list all the products down below. If you've got any questions, just ask us. And we'll do another video soon. We're going to do one on lid primers, because sometimes you say that your kohl pencil leaves an imprint up here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to do a test on different primers that are on the market. See you later.